Welcome to Monster Machines. Buckle up for a thrilling ride through the amazing world of colossal machinery. Ready to be awed? Let's dive in. A skilled bulldozer operator surrounded by capable assistants. But here's the twist. The tow bar is small compared to the massive machine, causing this metal monster to lose its balance. Can you believe this machine weighs 30 tons? The Hitachi Zaxxas 130 excavator moves as gracefully as a dancer. It's a perfect synergy between machinery and human skill. Let's see. The L2350 loader isn't just lifting, it's showcasing true power. With a capacity of 1,715 kilowatts, this beast has managed to lift the 380-ton Komatsu 830 truck. Technique always triumphs over weight. After 2 exhausting days of cutting branches and limbs from a 100-year-old oak tree, a large part of the tree collapsed, bringing down the 70-ton crane as well. Surely the crane must be tired too. Wasn't expecting that twist. Thought they had it under control. One moment you're steady, next you're flipping. Guess you can never be too sure. As a seasoned driver, I can't stress this enough. Always check your truck's capabilities before committing to a tough spot. Mid-shift? That's where problems begin. Wait, what? The JCB-3DX actually lost to that rock? I thought it was unbeatable. What a twist I never saw coming. Just a single lapse, and that compactor rolled down the hill like it was on an adventure of its own. It's like a mighty boulder breaking free. The driver's error and that tilted parking spot created a domino effect, flipping the excavator like a pancake. It's a reminder that no job is ever foolproof. Always stay sharp. Perhaps the driver is rushing to meet today's deadline. The LKT-80 faces difficulties when hauling timber, but it knows its limits and stops when necessary. This is a true testament to its ability to recognize its boundaries. Caught in thick mud, the truck struggled when a chain support broke and the rest warped. Still, the rescue team pulled through, overcoming the challenge with precision and grit. The haul truck is as heavy as a stone lion. But under the driver's command, it saves itself like a true boss. So impressive. Classic case of high center rollover with heavy payload. Seen this a lot in the industry. Kamaz is tough, but physics always has the last word.
Why?
Impressive work by that six-cylinder diesel engine on the Alice Chalmers. Precision engineering meets brute force, and that Mercedes didn't stand a chance. Who would have thought? A giant clamp lifting timber like it's no big deal. Despite the weight difference, this is routine work in Donetsk. I remember when we used to do this kind of work by hand. Now it's crazy how these machines make it look so easy, but man, it's still dangerous. There's no escaping the risk when hauling wood through the rugged mountain terrain, even for a powerhouse like the Mack R600. Pure adrenaline surges to its peak, pushing both man and machine to the limit. A 70-ton dump truck stuck in mud? No problem. The D10 bulldozer uses its power to pull it out. Simple as that. Two machines with raw strength getting the job done. Oh no, a miscalculated spin from the operator, causing the excavator to lose balance, and bam! The fall of the giant. Here's something you don't see every day. A Valmet 148 tractor pulling a milk truck. With its powerful engine, it's built to crush the roughest landscapes. That was a close call. If the operator hadn't reacted so quickly, the machine would have tipped over. It was truly a heart-stopping situation. Boom! I didn't expect it to collapse so quickly, but the excavator's hit was like a wrecking ball. If it weren't for the bulldozer, the Kamaz might have been swept away by the current. With determination, the bulldozer acted like an eagle protecting its team. Can you imagine raw power? The Volvo EC380EL with 208 kilowatts lifts the truck out of the mud like a pro. What do you think? Impressive, right? Wow, it takes me back to the days when we were stuck in snowstorms. Always a challenge. There was something quite thrilling about plunging into that thick layer of snow. After years of operating cranes, I can tell when the job is done right. You handled that lift with finesse. After more than an hour, I can feel the weight of the victory. Well done. The Robesteiger is stuck in the mud, unable to move. It must be really frustrating, right? But don't worry, a tow truck arrives to rescue it, and immediately it's free again. The Zeal is carrying wood through a deeply muddy road, like a steadfast warrior. But can this road defeat the power of the truck? Here's where precision meets experience. The Cat 320 excavator safely makes its way up the truck. No fuss, no rush. Just pure skill and calculation. That truck just let go of a ton of weight. Bet the driver felt that pressure lift off. Honestly, that's the kind of drop that could shake a whole neighborhood. As an engineer, I can tell the vehicle's suspension system is built for this kind of terrain. No hesitation, just smooth sailing through that river. After miles of tough roads. And now, as they reach the most treacherous stretch, the driver and his truck are prepared for a tense uphill climb. Let's hope they make it through. How many tons can this machine lift, I wonder? Watching it lift the truck so effortlessly, without a hitch, as if it's floating in mid-air. Oh my God! The truck seems to be drifting very fast on the road. It looks really bad. The excavator works on a steep hill, its power and precision commanding awe. The thrill of such hard work is undeniable. Would you dare to feel it yourself? It is truly majestic to watch containers float in the stormy fury of nature. These weigh over 4 tons when empty, yet they could be blown away like a shoebox. Here's a game-changing tip for uprooting a tree with whatever you've got. Place a wheel under the chain and watch as it effortlessly pulls the root up and out of the ground. Simple but powerful. These machines are straight-up rock stars. They make lifting marble look like a walk in the park. I need one of these in my backyard. Man, reminds me of the good old days when we had to dig out trucks like that by hand. But this tech, way faster, no sweat. So cute, the way the Cat D11R loses traction when going uphill. It's like a strong turtle flipping over and kicking its legs. The driver is also really cool. A 135-ton load, carefully tethered with safety tow ropes, navigates a slick, challenging path. The road may be slippery, but the gear is ready to take on the challenge. Here's the real danger. The guy saw it coming and still decided to go for it. And guess what? He failed. It's a reckless choice that cost him dearly.
I saw that coming.
Whoever says an old, worn-out truck is just junk has no idea of its true value. Wow. As the Toyota Tacoma climbs that massive rock, all you can see is the sky above and the sweet taste of ultimate victory. Men are just grown-up kids, and even their trucks are the same. Of course, it's fine. The drivers have fastened their seat belts and installed the roll cage properly. Plus, the truck didn't fall too far. This adventure ends here. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on more exciting content.